four short updates. Firstly, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army are making gains in Oromia Special Zone. Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army have taken control of key towns. Secondly, update from Mille Front, where peace fighting is underway. Thirdly, Tigray Defense Force captured fresh Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. They also shared pictures of captive ENDF soldiers. And lastly, Ethiopia has detained thousands Tigrayans. Why they detained them, we'll discuss. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army are making gains in Oromia Special Zone. Yesterday, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army took control of Senbite. Kemise has already been taken by Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army. As per latest reports, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army have taken control of another key town located in Oromia Special Zone. Viewers, as per detail, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army have taken control of Atay. Senbite to Atay is around 7 km, located on A2 highway. Viewers, now Kemise, Senbite and Atay are under the control of Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army. Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army jointly are advancing towards Shiva Robert. North Showa zone of Amhara region is the field of battle now. Where fighting is being reported from Shiva Robert now. Viewers, if we talk about Mille Front, fighting is underway between Tigray Defense Force and Afar forces along with ENDF in the surrounding areas of Mille. Afar forces and Ethiopian army are not allowing Tigray Defense Force to enter Mille so far. Whereas both sides are facing heavy losses in terms of life and material. Fighting is underway on Mille Road, which links Ethiopia-Djibouti road. Residents are saying this time fight is more intense. They never see such intense fight before in previous year. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force backed news sources are claiming that they have taken 100 fresh Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers prisoners. Tigray Defense Force soldiers also shared pictures of captive Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers, which you are watching. Because they did not mention the specific front from where they captured these Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. They only shared these ENDF soldiers were captured in recent fight. Tigray Defense Force had captured thousands of ENDF soldiers during this fight, but later released them. Viewers, lastly, the United Nations Human Rights Office is citing reports that authorities in Ethiopia have detained at least 1,000 people Most of them are of Tigrayan origin. The arrests occurred especially in Ethiopia's capital, Addis Ababa, Gondar, and Bahirdar, and other places. Viewers, Ethiopian authorities have often detained people on suspicion of being affiliated to or supporting the Tigray People's Liberation Front. Viewers, these were 4 short updates. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.